Good everybody, it's Mike, hope you're well. This is just a short video with 3 sound clips. So we'll have one where it's cold start, and the next one will be just gentle acceleration. The third one will be a full throttle acceleration up the hill, and that will be all at this stage. It is a bit raspy, it has that resonance going through, ringing like a bell sort of thing. That is to do with the headers and the primary cats being removed with the headers. So what we have there is a lot more shockwave coming down the exhaust, and it is just ringing like a bell, so I don't like it. So this week I'm putting it in to get a H-pipe put in as opposed to an X-pipe, because X-pipe one I don't think it'll fit with a couple of resonators I want. It'll just be the H-pipe. The H-pipe will actually increase torque and horsepower by about 2%, maybe 3% below 5,000 RPM. So from just above idle through to about 5,500 RPM, it'll actually increase torque and horsepower. And with the extra resonators which will be behind that, we will have hopefully a quieter exhaust system. I'm going to try and get some photos taken because I haven't been able to get photos of the exhaust system, but it is headers, high flow cats, and then from there back it's the full ISF factory exhaust. And because it's so much larger, the flow is slower and the sound is higher, so that makes or louder than the V8 because it flows more and all that sort of stuff. But it has picked up a lot of horsepower, so that's the main thing I'm after. So next video will be another week, maybe a little bit longer, and the next meeting is the 26th of June, as I've said earlier, I think. So looking forward to that, and maybe we'll be knocking on a 12-second quarter mile if I can get the right weather conditions, all that sort of thing. But at least a 13:10, at least, I think. So I look forward to that, and I'll take you on this little journey. So see you soon.